this year, I want you to learn how to do Pinterest ads. I want you to actually leverage Pinterest ads. I want you to make sure if you have a Shopify shop, if you have a blog, and you want to grow conversions, grow your traffic, it's very, very important for you to have a solid marketing strategy for your Pinterest ads. It's very important for you also to know what different marketing campaigns we have within the Pinterest management. And also it's good for you to know that keywords are important, and it's also important for you to know that algorithm is favor of those who know the Pinterest ads secrets. And algorithm is changing, and you need to learn how to master algorithm. I want you this year to learn Pinterest ads because it's important to get a lot of subscribers, a lot of sales and conversions. If you have a Shopify shop or a blog and you're actually spending money on Pinterest ads and you're not getting the results you want, I want you to learn why you're not getting the results you want, why you don't get the sales. So you really need to learn Pinterest ads because it's important to prepare your website for the Pinterest ads, and it's important to make sure that you are actually using and retargeting those audience that are already interacted with your pin or they're already checking your website. So this is one part, and then this is another part that you need to know, that Pinterest ads are having a sort of starting point. You cannot just jump into Pinterest ads and do conversions, for instance, or to I don't know, sales, something like that. I mean, you really need to know from where to start first. So if you don't get the results you want, you have to have a strategy for your Pinterest ads and really get the sales done this year. You really need to increase your sales by using Pinterest ads. You have to know how to do them. I have a free course for you to sign up. And also don't forget that Pinterest algorithm is changing, and you need to know what are the secrets, and you need to exclude your business from algorithm changes. And I don't know why I don't get clicks. I don't know why I don't get traffic. I don't know why this and why my account has suspended, or why my account is not growing. So this is very, very important for you this year to learn Pinterest ads and make sure you have a Pinterest marketing strategy that is growing your subscribers, your conversions, and your sales. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also you can sign up for the free course. Take care.